Hey guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how to use the Hostinger coupon code for 2026 and unlock the maximum discount available right now. First, click the Hostinger discount link provided in the video description below. Once the website opens, choose the hosting service that fits your needs. Hostinger offers web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, VPS hosting, and several other hosting solutions. For this example, I'll be selecting VPS hosting. Now scroll down and review the available VPS plans. You can compare the features, pricing, and see which option is currently the most popular among users. After selecting your plan, click the Choose Plan button. You'll then be taken to the order summary page. Here, select your preferred billing period. You can choose between 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. 24-month plan provides the biggest discount and includes a free domain for 1 year. Next, scroll down and select the server location closest to your target audience or business location. This can help improve your website's speed and overall performance. In the order summary section, you can see an additional discount automatically applied through the special link provided in the description. Once done, click the Continue button. Now enter your email address, create your account password, and proceed to the payment page. Complete the payment process, and Hostinger will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. And that's it. Your Hostinger discount has been successfully activated, and your hosting purchase is complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.